Okay, step by step, how to go through the Autohotkey setup. I'm going to install Autohotkey first, install it for all users. Pretty simple process. So now that this is loaded, that means it's installed. I'm going to close it. I'm going to find my Autohotkey scripts that I like. I like this V14 and I like this V2. I'm going to take those, I'm going to copy those, and then paste them into my new Autohotkey folder in program files. Autohotkey, I'm just going to put them right here. Oh, looks like I already have ones there. Let's delete that. This is from a previous install. I'm trying to show you how to do it. So let's make believe, and now we're going to paste them in. Okay, so these are my new versions. I'm going to delete this setting as well. Okay, so this is what it'll look like. You have your Autohotkey. I just happen to put it here. The next thing I'm going to do now that I have the scripts in my Autohotkey folder, I'm going to go to the bottom menu. I'm going to hit Run, and then I'm going to type in shell startup, and that's going to take me to the startup folder. This tells my computer what to run every time it starts up. I actually don't need HID macros anymore because Autohotkey runs so well. So I'm going to take these two scripts. I'm going to right click and then drag them over, and then it's going to ask me if I want to create a shortcut. Create a shortcut. Done. Now I think that's it for it. Let's run it and see what happens. Let's do our Carestream flip left and right. So now that I have double clicked it, I can see that it's running down here. Now it asks me for my hotkey. We'll keep that as number 10. So now we're in teach mode. I'm going to hit OK to start the recording. It asks me for the menu. I'm going to left click OK, and then go to the CT window. I'm going to right click there. That popped up this. It's asking for the preferences now. Left click, go back up here, left click, and then right click. That registered the coordinates for that one. It asks for the next coordinates. So I'm going to left click here. I'm going to left click here, get into the preferences, and I'm going to right click because this is the next point I want it to click on. Next one, the radio button. So left click here. Let's find the first button. I'm going to right click, register those coordinates. Again, right click, register those coordinates. And then right click, register those coordinates. Script is done. F10 is now ready. I'm going to hit OK. Now I can hit F10 on the keyboard. Let's see if I can hit F10 on the keyboard. Sometimes you have to hit like function F10. So sometimes the keyboards are annoying because you have to hit a function key to get it. But yep. All right, so that one is up and running. We're good there. The next one was the acquire. Was the acquire one. So let's get that up and running. Oh, look at that. So this one defaults to Control Alt A. That's fine. This tells you the keys if you want to do Control or Alt. So Control Alt and A. We'll leave that there. Now we're in teaching mode. Go to the TDO main window and click the acquire button. TDO, acquire, right clicked. Now let's go to the X-ray button. So now I have to bring up the acquire tab. Now I have my acquire tab open. I'm going to right click on the X-ray button. Setup is complete. So now, no matter where I am at, I can hit Control Alt A, and it should bring it up. Control Alt A. Boom, done. Hey, how about that? It's fun, huh? Now that that works, now that the shortcuts work, I can program that into the keypad of choice. I use this HP one just because it has a line of buttons on the left side. And so I programmed that into, let's see, I think it's this fourth button here. So when I hit that, so the assistants can now, from the opposite side of the room, if they haven't brought that window up already, they can click that. And now I can click function F10 and flip these around. Easy. And that's it.